Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2013 guys. The given question is an index is a clustered if. Okay, so they are asking why do we perform clustering, right? Indexing. An index is a clustered if. Okay, so let us go through the options. It is a set of a field that forms a candidate key. It is on a set of a field that includes the primary key. The data records of the file are organized in the same order as the data entries of the index. The data records of the file are organized not in the same order as the data entries in the index. Okay, so in this question, I think we can eliminate two options directly, guys. Okay, so anyway, we'll be analyzing them, but with some small logic, we can eliminate some options here, guys. Okay, so to be clear, option C and D are completely opposite to each other, right? So one says I am that, one says I am this. So indirectly they are opposite. So indirectly here, if two things are opposite, any one of them will 100% be true, right? Yes, and as it is a single answer question, so option A and B can be eliminated directly from here, right? Yes. Okay, so let us recall. So an index is a clustered if. Okay, so why do we perform clustering, guys? So if you recall, whenever we are clustering based on a not primary key or not candidate key, right? So recall, I took the example of ages, guys. So if a particular table is containing ages like 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14. So in this way, assume the ages are given of some small kids, assume in that way. Okay, yes. So now if we perform clustering in this, so what we do, guys, so we will create a mini index for this, and if these blocks are divided into two pieces, okay, so now inside this index, what we will store, guys? Are you going to store the first value? No, you are going to store the unique values of them. So 11 you will give one entry, 12 you will give one entry, 13 you will give one entry, 14 you will give one entry. So the block pointers will be pointing to that particular location where exactly they are, the first value, right? Yes, 13th first line and 14 only one entry. So this is nothing but our clustered indexing, right? Yes. So now let us check option C and D. Option C says that the data record of the file are organized in the same order as the data entries of index. So here this is in ascending order and this is also in ascending order. So this option is absolutely true. Moving on to option D. Option D says that the data records of the file are organized not in the same order. So to be clear, whenever you see the word indexing, it is in sorted order, guys. That's it. There is no more questions to ask. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. So if a particular table you are saying we indexed it. So if you have indexed it in a proper way, it will be in a sorted way, guys. Remember that. Okay. Yes. Okay. So and if the question they asked about secondary indexing, so at that time D will be the correct answer, because in secondary indexing already the table has been sorted in a particular order, right? But now you want to sort it based on some other parameter which is not in sorted order. So that is the reason why if you select secondary indexing, at that time it will be not the same order. Got it? Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got an idea like how I am confirmly saying that C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.